Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 5:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 20th, 2023. This is not financial advice. We're here to talk about HOLO Chain. It's educational, so just click the subscribe, click the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. In the meantime, if you have any cryptos or stocks you want covered, please add them in the comments below the video. You got to be on YouTube for that. Let's move into the markets. We're going to look at HOLO to US dollar. Inner strength of HOLO, which is HOLO to its native asset class crypto or Bitcoin, and then the benchmark Bitcoin itself. And as you can see, the left appears like a product of the two elements to the right, inner strength and benchmark. So let's go and look at HOLO US dollar. Right now, we have resistance up here at like 2077. We're at 2043. We also have support around 1914. So the other day, we almost broke through this big long area of resistance up here that's been starting out back in mid-November. Couldn't quite get to it, but we're still kind of up there. So that's a good sign for HOLO US dollar. But however, when we go to the inner strength of HOLO, it's not all that great because Bitcoin is the one that's pulling HOLO to US dollar up, not the inner strength of HOLO. And that's what we have to keep our eye out on. So this star here reflects the point in time where the release comes out. It's around January 27th. This is where the stable beta release comes out for HOLO Chain. And when that comes out, that basically means the end of the prior unstable releases of their earlier release candidate beta release candidate, and the alpha release as well. So that's where we sunset those two, and then we have a proper stable beta release, hoping that this is the piece or the area where we could start to see momentum in HOLO. Now we're literally sitting right on this resistance or now support line at 91 and a quarter, 91.12, but we do have a meaningful real resistance up here at 99. You get over 99, and then we have another area of resistance all the way up at 110, 10% higher. Now, what's happening now is Bitcoin, as you can see over on the right, you can see Bitcoin's up 7%. HOT is only up 5%. And the reason why it's not up as high as Bitcoin is because the inner strength, HOT to Bitcoin, is actually down almost 2%. And that's kind of how those correlate. So going over to Bitcoin, we are up big, and I mean big. This thing's 7% day over day at 22,560. We do have two areas of resistance here. I'm hopeful we get through it. And if we do get through it, the next area of resistance target would be anywhere between 28 and change up to 31,000. So we'll see how this pans out, over the weekend. I think a lot of people are pretty excited. I think we're going to have a pretty nice rally into mid-Feb. Obviously tech had a big rally as well today, so I think everyone is kind of operating on Friday's results of the tech market and into the weekend. So hoping to see even more of a rally by Monday. So in the meantime, HOT's around 2043 right now. Hopefully we can get over this 2086, but it's really going to be primarily driven if we want to see this hot US dollar really take off, it's going to be the underlying or the inner strength of HOT to Bitcoin. Anyway, I'm out. Take care.